Yeah, big and bad, straight. I mean, I say, yo, that one I name Who to Trust. I don't know what some of other people I think out there. But the government need to come in with a strategy quick enough. Too much young girl at the Rasta. Yeah. Me that watch a little video on WhatsApp, what day. When me see a man, last night, me get that what day, last night. And a man a show me, I talk say how them have a big man behind it from some other island in a foreign country where I work to kidnap the quick girl, to catch them, to get them body parts and them heart and them kidney, you know? But if I saw the thing go, our police slow to walk one, you see what I say? But what I say, the police them are human beings just like myself, that's what you know what I say? I know I'm going to say something what I don't really know about. It does a video I tell me about it, I watch on WhatsApp when I get last night. You see me? And him say put it on Facebook and them take it out. Well, them have a reason why them take it out. But what I say, tell you, young girl, don't walk alone. You see me? Try and walk in a company. You see me? And be careful of the taxi or the car where you take. Because you don't know. Sometimes you know the person and the person take you away the same way. Just like the girl who set up her friend for dead. You see what I say? So that's what the king said. A 15-year-old set up people for dead. So you know what I say? What I say, who can trust God. Not how we not pray to God. You see what I say? We not put God first, no nothing. We have to do things off our own and then we call up the Father. But it's lucky things say God not still like man. You see me? I mean I say respect on no mother. Yeah, here when town no mother talk to no granny. Them know what is best, you see what I say? I don't trust family to all that still, but me I say, yo, you see your mother, you don't think your mother would have said you, or your granny, but any other cousin and so, don't trust them people that are stuff. Because them people are quick to look at the other people for this, for damage you. And some people now protect them family, and everybody protect them family. Some people destroy them family because you have strive over them all the while. And they make man come in and kill you. So who for trust? No God? That's what I say. God is the only person for trust right now. You can't trust nobody else, you see me? Nobody else you can't trust. You see me? God is the only person for trust right now. You see me? With all the killing and the crime we are going on in Jamaica, it's only God alone we can trust. We cannot trust nobody else. No man power can save no man. Man a failure. That's what I say, yeah. We all would like the crime to cut and stop the killing in Jamaica, but what? Our own people them take part in certain things that are going on, that's what I say. For real, the same people them are around me. You have some wicked woman too. Some wicked young girl. As when I always say, the young people them get themselves in some fuckery. I tell you straight. Yeah man. But you see all I don't know what they were good. You go down here and try to protect other people too. Since you know what God protect from you, because you see some people say I'm a Christian and they come like the church quiet on all these things because the church are getting bad. And some of them sitting there going, you see what I say? Straight. I'm not condemn nobody because I'm not perfect myself, but I say, yo, all I make mistake. Straight. But I say, yo, a man baptized or a woman baptized and tomorrow and Saturday morning I'm going to buy that or Wednesday I'm going to buy that too. So you see, man I feel ya, trust God. That's what I say. God is the only source. A lot of these young people ready and love. Man to care and thing and ready. They don't take time to know the person. And just fall in and gone in, dashing themselves on people where they don't know nothing about. Be careful. That's what I say. Yeah. Be careful of who you walk with, who you talk with, who you eat with, who you call your friend. That's what I say. Just be careful. Don't trust nobody, just trust God. That's what I say. Straight. And big up all of the good parents that I look out, and the father that I look out for them pick me. So I say, because home season right now, the parents have to do look better right now. Because if you want to sit back and pick in a yard ball, you have to do what you know you have to do. And trust God. That's what I say. Straight, that's what the thing said. For real.